Today, I'm going to show you how you would theoretically create your first AI text-to-video with OpenAI's new Sora. Now, the reason I say theoretically is because the overlords have not granted access to the public yet, and OpenAI is actually called closed AI. However, this video is going to help you because you're still going to need to do scripts, text-to-speech, editing, animations, captions, and everything you're going to need to do to pull together an AI-generated video with one click. And today, I'm going to show you how we're generating AI videos like this that you can replace with Sora when it comes out so that you can make videos that earn money in your free time. The best part is that I use this exact strategy to make over $1,000 a day, and all I have to do is click one button to do it. My name is Chase with Shinify, the place that marketers go to make viral videos that earn money. And if you want to create viral AI content that makes money online, you're about to love this video. Keep watching. I'll be honest with you. I used to hate making videos, but that's mainly because I would spend hours and hours of my time only to get a few hundred views. It was so frustrating. I literally spent hundreds of hours making videos that nobody wanted to watch. And to make things worse, I was following the advice of so-called experts that didn't really know what they were doing. Things like create great content, or make a video a day, or target the right keywords. And while that stuff can help you a little bit, it's not gonna skyrocket your traffic and views. And when I realized that, I knew I had to try something different. That's when I knew I needed to go to ChatGPT and ask it how to solve all of my problems with just one click. And when ChatGPT told me that I needed to think through my problem a little bit more, I realized that instead I should just create AI videos and not listen to it. After all, my videos were getting some views, but I had to do all of them manually myself. So if I could have a robot do it all for me instead, it'd be so much easier to do nothing. At that point, I could relax on the beach and join Mark Zuckerberg and his lizard army. All jokes aside, here's what I did. Step 1, I went to Sora and I went to go grab their video generator. Step 2, I scoured the website to find where I could get access to Sora. Step 3, I realized OpenAI is actually called closed AI and I can't access Sora publicly until they come out with it and I have to pay for it. Now this put me in a weird position because I'm not going to be able to join the lizard army until I can generate AI videos that get views and make money while I sleep. But I'm not the type of person to give up, so I went to ChatGPT and got the Plus plan because I realized that the overlords would probably favor the people that are paying them first. I then started taking prompts that were on the Sora website and fed them into ChatGPT as images instead. I realized that I could create image prompts and turn the images into videos, and this would prepare me so that when Sora comes out, I just have to switch out the prompts with videos. Because the truth is, whether I'm using image prompts or video prompts, I'm still going to have to do a lot of other stuff to create a video. Things like creating scripts or text to speech, or even editing all the clips together, doing animations and captions. Sora alone obviously isn't going to do all of that for me. That's when I realized the only logical next step was to go live on YouTube and edit these videos so that I don't get bored doing it by myself. And after spending hours just to create a few videos with AI, I went back to ChatGPT and asked it if I can hire a programmer to solve all of my problems. And again, instead of listening to ChatGPT, I went to online jobs and made a job posting for a programmer. After telling the programmer my entire life story, which he didn't care about, I asked him to build me a tool that would make videos with just one click. The tool needed to build the scripts automatically, do the text to speech, edit all the clips together that are generated, do the animations and the captions. And as a bonus, it had to prove everybody wrong that thought I was going to live in a garage forever. And just like that, the tool was made. All I have to do now is just type in what I want the video to talk about, turn on a few settings, and click on generate.
Ever heard of the guy who turned a garage into his empire to defy the odds? He started with nothing but 4 walls and a vision that no one believed in.
Now that everything's marked off the list, I can begin uploading these on Instagram, TikTok, and more. But then I ran into another problem. How am I supposed to upload these manually if I have 10 different social media profiles and I have to do this every single day? That's when I realized I could use this tool called Radar to automatically schedule out these videos to multiple platforms at once. And I went back to online jobs to get somebody who could click on buttons so that way I don't have to go and generate these videos myself. But then I started getting all these comments and I thought to myself, how am I supposed to respond to all of these manually? And then I found a tool called ManyChat that would actually go and automatically respond to all of the comments with links to things that I wanted to get paid to promote. And if you're curious how to do this, I actually made a full 20-minute guide that walks you through everything you need to do to get set up with all of this. But really, all I'm doing is just using these AI videos to promote these different tools that I get paid for off of this free checklist. If you're ready to get started with AI, just go over to the AIgiveaway.com. You can grab the free checklist with tutorials and you can get all of my other free stuff. Until next time, I'll be at the beach.